Hello everyone, welcome to Shares Nepal YouTube channel. Today I am just going to show you how we can do the simple random sampling without replacement in CSPro for randomization purpose. Here is the sample program that I already have made for my personal purpose, so you can add some questions for randomization. Here are the three questions. First one is name of the respondent, and second one is age of respondent, and third one is like total number of the household member. Today I am just going to show you that how we can randomly pick up the three members from the household members if there were like supposed to be 9 household member in total. So you're gonna pick 3 respondent out of 9 from the household, and for this I'm just gonna add some questions here. Here we're gonna pick 3 respondents from the total member of the household. So random 1, this is for random 1, numeric length should be also 1, and second one is like random 2, this is for random number 2, second random number, and third one is like random number 3. So there are the 3 questions for 3 random numbers, and let's save it and generate the form. And here are the 3 questions for random number, and now we gonna add some logic for randomization. For the first random number you can use the pre-proc condition $, you can use instead random 1 equal to random between 1 and total number of household member, 3. If your total number of the household members are 9, then it's gonna be create like one number between 1 to 9, and semicolon, and you don't need to input any values here, so let's no input, and we are going to use same logic in the following section, so you can paste it and just need to modify some item here. In this field we need a random number, but which is not equal to random number 1, because we are going to create a random number without replacement. So for this you can just use random with total, and need to add some logic like while VISUAL VALUE visual value, where $sign means in this field equal to random number 1. If generated random number in this random 2 field is equal to random number 1 that is generated in the random 1 field, then what? Do again random number, do generate again another random number 1 and between total number of the household member Q3, and int do, and no input is as it is, and we also gonna paste the same logic in the following section like random number 3, and this is gonna be same as we have used in random number 2 field, and you just need to add more logic is like or and random number 2, random number 2 is here, so and do what? Do or generate another random number. Like if generated random number is equal to random number 1 and 2, like 1 and 2, then again do the randomizations and create another random number that should not be equal to random number 1 and 2, you know. So it's gonna create another unique random number. And let's compile. It's completely working. And also compile random number 2. It also seems like working here. And random number 1 compile, it's also working, since there is no any error message that has been given by the program, you know. And let's save. Today I just also want to show you that how we can display the questions in like quite a sophisticated manner, you know. I'm just going to add some logic in the question section here. So this is question number 1. Here I have the questions in my another folder. I can paste it here, and this is for the local language field. You can copy and paste Q1, and this is my local language, you know. You can add multiple languages in CSPro also. Age of respondent, you know. And this is gonna be like local language, Uttardata ko umar, you know. You wanna just display the name instead of respondent, you know, because you already have written your respondent name, so you don't need to display here as respondent, you know. You can just display the name of respondent. For this you can just write a double tilde sign here, and it is just above the tab in your computer keyboard, and press shift and double tilde here, and name of respondent is like question number 1, and again double tilde, you know. This is gonna be display that age of, if your respondent name is like Corey, you know, age of Corey, it's gonna display like age of Corey. Paste the same thing in your local language, you know. And total number of household, and I'm also going to add my local language here. Question number 3, and same like I'm gonna add a question to display all these random numbers in another field. So here we can add like another question, you know, generated random numbers, rand 3, you know. It's gonna be like alpha. I'm gonna give length 50 and 50, tab and tab, and generate form, yes, and okay, you know. And also going to add like some logic here. I'm gonna make text like pre-proc, make text in this field. First one is like first random, number. First random equal to what? Percentage d is for numeric value, and second random equal to percentage d. Third random equal to percentage d, comma, this is for random number 1, and another random number 2 is random number 2, and another one is random number 3. From the cap equation, and I'm gonna add some questions in the cap equation section. Here I'm just total number of household member equal to which? And first random number, first random number equal to which one? Just like you can paste from random number random 1, random 1, and another one is random 2, and second random number equal to third random number equal to. So let's try to explore the things that we have done in our program, whether our logic are working or not. So you can run the program by clicking on the run menu. Step change is yes, and it's a serial number 2, name of respondent query, and age of query 34. Let's insert 7, and it's gonna generate 3 random number with a replacement here. Now if you are planning to randomly pick the 3 members of the household out of the total member, you should pick serial number 3, 6 and 4, and in the survey. That's it for today. Goodbye.